Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. I'm from Logistics Department of BYJU'S. On the occasion of World AIDS Day, me and some of my colleagues decided to work with the Desire Society. And it was lovely spending time with these kids. It was a way to show us how privileged we are and how we need to work to support everyone in our society.
Good evening, my name is Subhash. I am the Vice President of Desire Society and today is the World AIDS Day. I am very much thanks to the BYJU'S and BYJU'S volunteers for their visit and support. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Lubna Bhatt and this is my daughter Alisha Bhatt, teaching arts and crafts to children, adults. Today we were invited by BYJU'S to Desire Society as it is World AIDS Awareness Day so that we could teach the children here some craft.
I'm Pavitra. I'm an academic specialist at BYJU'S. On World AIDS Day, we have been given an opportunity to the Desire Society at Bangalore. And it has been a very beautiful opportunity provided to us by BYJU'S, and it was really great to be with them. We played together, we had food together, and we painted and danced together, which was really beautiful.
And they have put in their best. They really did a wonderful job. And I must say that the volunteers from BYJU'S have done an amazing job. You know, they are very patient with the children.
I enjoyed spending time with the kids.
It was a very noble thing that BYJU'S did for us, and we are looking forward to more of such activities in the future. Thank you.